In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wisetag. Finding your Wisetag in your Wise account is a straightforward process, but I'll be guiding you step by step to ensure a smooth experience. First, we begin by logging into your Wise account. If you haven't already set up your account, you might want to do that first by visiting the Wise website, or using their app, which you can download from your App Store. Once there, input your secure login details and ensure that you're successful in gaining access to your account dashboard. It's always best practice to make sure you're doing this on a secure network to keep your information safe. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu and locate the Payments tab. When you click on that, you'll notice it opens up to a variety of tools related to managing your payments. Among these, you should see a section named Payment Tools. The Payment Tools section is a convenient collection of features designed to make your financial transactions easier and more transparent. Right within this section, your Wisetag is displayed for easy access. Your Wisetag is essentially your personalized identifier within Wise, often represented as a handle, like @JohnDoe123. This Wisetag allows others to find you easily within the platform, especially in scenarios like receiving payments from friends or business partners. Make a mental note of your Wisetag or jot it down somewhere safe for future reference. Besides this, there's yet another way to find this handy piece of information. Navigate back to the top of your screen where you'll find your profile picture, or sometimes just your initials if you haven't added a photo. Clicking here will take you to more personalized settings and options related to your profile. Once in your profile settings, you should see an option that is related to the discoverability of your Wisetag. Make sure that your Wisetag is toggled on to stay discoverable, which means that other users can find you with ease. This feature is particularly important if you want to enjoy the full benefits of peer-to-peer transactions on the platform. If your Wisetag isn't discoverable, it might cause unnecessary inconvenience in those spontaneous times you're expecting payments or wanting to connect with the Wise community. By following these steps, you'll have no trouble keeping track of your Wisetag and ensuring it's working for you seamlessly within the platform. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these detailed instructions have been helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below if you have any questions. Have a great day!